one time NRW was 45%, but today's position of NRW is just 27%, and in some of the parts of the, especially cities, and also in some urban developed villages, it is even less than 22%. I am proud. We will not be able to control up to what Singapore is doing, 5%. But definitely, we will see that in next couple of years, our NRW will reduce to less than 15%. I would like on this issue that we have taken a long step. It may be taken up another 2 or 3 years. But all the pipelines which are AC, PVC, we want to change it to either MS, HDP or others, which will be very much effective because this is need of the hour.
कार्यावळीक पणजेचो आमदारूय आशिल्लो.
We need to find sustainable alternate source of supply. In fact, stormwater supply is one way of improving our water table. In fact, the second way I will see is that toilet to tap. We need to get over our phobia of using treated water from the sewage treatment plant and perhaps promote this toilet to tap concept so that people start using it. There are countries in the world, in fact, the Singapore Prime Minister demonstrated by drinking water directly from the output of the sewage treatment plant. And that is, I think, the way forward. We have 12 MLD plant in Talegaon, and the 12 MLD water goes waste. We use it maybe perhaps for gardening, but a large quantity of water is released in our rivulet that is adjoining the sewage treatment plant. So we need to educate end users, consumers, to get over that. It's a mental block. I was in China and they eat all types of food. They eat grasshoppers, they eat snakes, they eat alligators. But for me, the snake and the fish look similar. Both have scales, both have a bone in the middle. But we eat fish with so much taste. But somewhere that mental block is there not to eat snake. So similar way, that toilet to tap concept, we have to promote and get over our phobia.
प्रुडंटा खातीर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.